AI brings us the whole set of digital operational efficiency part from a manufacturing standpoint. And there are a couple of use cases at POC level and at MVP level that we are doing. And there are a couple of agentic and AI use cases are already there in the implementations, like blending optimizer, predictive analytics, forecasting the inventory turnover kind of thing. And from an MVP and pilot stage, like in mining, the models could predict the prospect of where the material is, and there we could detect or forecast the exploration part of it. So these are some of the ongoing projects that are there at MVP stage. Yeah, so I think since this AI platform is evolving, and there is a continuous involvement of different partners, different ecosystem in the AI transformation journey. So what the CXOs and board looks for is certainty in the prediction, and the important part is the governance and the security part as well. How the governance is going to do, and security is usually the primary factor grain in what you do. On top of that, the EBITDA items, like whatever projects or investment we do as far as AI projects are concerned, how it will affect both top line and bottom line from an operation point of view. So this should be clear to board and the CXO leaderships, and then I think we could start the project. So it should not be a pilot purgatory where we start the projects and we thought of this and thought of that and chattering the unknown territory. There could be few cases where you do that, but if there would be a sustainable model and continuous scalability could be done, then industry adoption will be much more profounding and efficient on part of it. Yeah, so the first thing is, this is the era of hybrid cloud. So there will be different kind of cloud ecosystem industry is going to adopt, and we have to live in there. And once the AI comes up, it's a scale of for AI, because from an architecture point of view, now we have to build in as far as the growing expansion of AI models to our whole ecosystem. I think the major part here is the data cleaning part that we have talked about, because the models are as good as the data. The clean data will develop a good model for that. And then we have to have a coherent architecture which connects all the hybrid cloud setup and gives pure quality data to the AI models. So I think cloud and data cleaning, data analytics part will be a very prerequisite for a successful AI model to be developed. So we are as a strategy we are planning for like green IT ops, and cloud subscriptions is also one of the focus area, because getting multiple hybrid cloud environment, manageability and consumption is a concern.